Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Ever feel like personal finance is this big, scary monster only for billionaires? Well, guess what? It's not. Today, we're breaking down the 5 golden rules of personal finance that anyone, yes, anyone, can start using right now to build a more secure future. Rule number 1, know where your money goes. This is the bedrock of all financial success. Most people have no idea how much they spend on coffee, subscriptions, or eating out. Start tracking every single dollar. There are tons of free apps for this, or just a good old-fashioned spreadsheet. You might be shocked at what you find. Rule number 2, create a realistic budget. Once you know where your money's going, it's time to tell it where to go. A budget isn't about deprivation, it's about intentional spending. Allocate money for your necessities, your wants, and most importantly, your savings. The 50-30-20 rule is a great starting point. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Rule number 3, build an emergency fund. Life throws curveballs, right? Car troubles, medical emergencies, unexpected job changes. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved in an easily accessible, separate savings account. This isn't for a new TV, it's for true emergencies. Rule number 4, tackle debt strategically. High-interest debt, especially credit card debt, is a wealth killer. Make a plan to pay it down. The debt snowball, paying off smallest debts first for motivational wins, or debt avalanche, paying highest interest debts first to save money, are both effective strategies. Pick one and stick to it. And finally, rule number 5, start investing, even small amounts. You don't need to be a Wall Street wizard. Even just $50 a month consistently invested can grow significantly over time, thanks to the magic of compound interest. Look into low-cost index funds, or ETFs. The key is consistency and starting early. Time is your biggest asset here. There you have it, the 5 golden rules. Remember, personal finance is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about building good habits over time. Don't get discouraged if you slip up. Just get back on track. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments below which rule you're going to focus on first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.